In this video, I want to show you how to fix in case the Bluetooth connection of your iPhone 16e is not working properly, or maybe it's not working at all. So the first thing you need to do once the problem appears is to do a force restart. This can fix so many software issues. To do one on the iPhone 16e, you have to press volume up, volume down, and press the power button until the Apple logo appears on your display. Then you can release it. Let me do it. So volume up, volume down, and I press the power button. No matter what you see on the display, just wait until the Apple logo appears. This will shut down the iPhone and it will power on by itself. All right, almost there. Here we go. The Apple logo. I can release the power button. Now you just have to wait around 10 seconds. The iPhone will come back and you'll be able to use it. And fortunately, after doing this, the Bluetooth will work the same way it's supposed to. Now, if the problem persists and you're still having issues, what I suggest is that you do a network reset. This will not delete any pictures, any personal data, any apps, okay? It will simply reset the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and the data, so your data connection. To do that, you simply have to go into the settings, go into General, go down, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, select Reset, and this is the option we need to tap, okay? It's Reset Network Settings. By doing this, okay, you'll have to type your passcode of the iPhone. It will take around 20 seconds. The iPhone will shut down, will power on again, and you'll have to reconnect your Bluetooth device to the iPhone. And fortunately, after doing this, everything will work as it should. You will also have to reconnect yourself to your Wi-Fi because these settings will be deleted. If one of these solutions worked with you, please leave a like, but also leave a comment down below. If you have any other solutions to how to fix the Bluetooth of the 16e, leave a comment. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to read it. See you in the next video.